In this video, you'll see how to fail over a virtual machine to StrengCom, reverse the replication, and then fail it back to the tenant data center. The video starts with the virtual machine that was replicated in the StrengCom cloud in an earlier video in the series. The tenant can perform all of the required operations using the vCloud availability portal. The user logs in using their StrengCom cloud credentials. The dashboard summary displays a summary of all replications. By selecting a virtual data center and a replicated virtual machine, a number of actions can be performed. The user selects the failover action to fail the virtual machine over to the StrengCom cloud. A background task is started to perform the failover. The real-time status of the process is visible in the workflow pane. Next, switching to the vCloud Director console, we can see the VM is now running and available for users. The same status information is available in the tenant data center. By switching to the vCenter web client, we see that the replication status shows the VM has been recovered or failed over to the cloud. After the outage at the tenant data center has been resolved, the user can use the portal to reverse the direction of replication back to the tenant data center. Pressing the reverse button makes the tenant data center the new DR target. The replication runs as a background task. When the replication reversal is complete, the VM moves from the replicated column to the reverse column of the dashboard. The VM replication detail shows the synchronization is being performed back to the tenant data center. The same information can be seen in the web client of the customer data center. The VM is now listed as an incoming replication. As part of restoring normal operations, it may be appropriate to fail the VM back to the tenant data center. The user can press the Failback button to start the process. The status symbol for the VM changes to a yellow B to indicate the failback is in process. The status symbol turns to green when the failback is complete. In the final step, we have returned to the tenant data center and see the VM is now in a recovered state, running in the tenant data center. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.